Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to create an array. This is the baby steps series. We're going to create an array and we're going to modify the elements inside that array. So first of all, let's create our array. So I'm going to call it array 1 and I'm going to populate it with some months. So Jan, Feb, March. Let's just populate it with 3. That'll do for now. So January, February, March. Okay, now we're going to print the array so we can see what it looks like. Array 1, new line. Save it, print it, so it looks like that. Okay, now we're going to modify the elements in the array. So I'm going to go scalar array 1 and at position 0. So in our array we have positions, so this is position 0, position 1, position 2 in the array. So at position 0 here, I'm going to modify it to A. Okay, scalar array 1, position 1 here. I'm going to modify that to B. So this is position 1 here, and of course position 2 is next. So scalar array 1, that's going to be position 2. That's going to be C. Okay, and now we're going to print it out. So print modified array. So that's going to be scalar array 1, new line. Right, let's save that. Let's run it. And there you go. So we've modified all the elements from January, February, March to A, B, C. So I hope that's been helpful to you. And remember, if you've not already done so, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.